breeze so light. Dew on the leaves, what a beautiful sight. Little hands digging, laughter so free. Harvesting greens with love and glee.
Tomatoes, one of most widely consumed foods worldwide. But did you know they're not just delicious, but also packed with health benefits? In this video, we'll explore how to grow your own fresh, organic tomatoes, when to plant them, and how to care for them, and why they're a must-have in your diet. Before we dive into the growing process, let's talk about why tomatoes are considered a superfood. Tomatoes are rich in vitamins A, C, and K, potassium, and folate, which help boost immunity and improve overall health. They contain lycopene, a powerful antioxidant that reduces the risk of heart disease and protects against cell damage. Tomatoes also support skin health, digestion, and eye health, making them a great addition to any diet. Tomatoes thrive in warm weather in regions like Pakistan and India. Plant tomatoes in February, March, or July, August for the best yield. In colder climates, start your seeds indoors about 6 to 8 weeks before the last frost and transplant them outdoors when temperatures remain above 15 degrees Celsius or even 60 degrees Fahrenheit.
Golden sun shines, the breeze so light. Dew on the leaves, what a beautiful sight. Little hands digging, laughter so free. Harvesting.
It soothes burns, hydrates skin, aids digestion, and boosts immunity. Easy to grow, it thrives in dry conditions with minimal care. Plant in well-draining soil, place in indirect sunlight and water only when the soil is dry. To use, cut a leaf, extract the gel, and apply it to your skin or blend it into juices for digestive benefits. Aloe vera is a must-have for natural health. Have you used it? Share in the comments. Like, share, and subscribe for more tips.
Greens with love and glee. Mint so fresh, it tingles the air. Cilantro whispers like it doesn't care. Parsley.
Mint and coriander, two essential herbs packed with flavor and health benefits. Freshly harvested, they enhance taste and nutrition in every dish. Both herbs grow quickly and thrive in well-draining soil with regular watering. Mint spreads fast, so it's best grown in pots, while coriander prefers direct soil or containers. Harvest mint by pinching off leaves from the top to encourage bushier growth. For coriander, cut the outer leaves first, leaving the inner ones to keep growing. Use them fresh or dry them for later. Do you grow these herbs at home? Share your tips in the comments.
Dreams under sky so blue, a garden of life, it's all for you.
Fresh salad, a simple, healthy, and refreshing addition to any meal, packed with vitamins, fiber, and antioxidants. It boosts digestion, hydrates the body, and supports overall health. Growing salad greens like lettuce, spinach, and arugula is easy. Plant them in well-draining soil, provide partial sunlight, and water regularly. Harvest young leaves for the best taste and continuous growth. Mix greens with cucumbers, tomatoes, and a light dressing for a nutritious meal. Do you enjoy fresh salads? Share your
Rows of basil swaying with grace. Dill and thyme finding their place. Carrots below and
Growing your own plants is rewarding, and today we are talking about eggplant, flowers, and capsicum. 3 great choices for any garden. Eggplants thrive in warm weather. Plant them in well-draining soil, provide full sunlight, and water regularly. Harvest, then the fruit is glossy and firm. Flowers add beauty and attract pollinators. Choose seasonal varieties, water moderately, and ensure good sunlight for vibrant blooms. Capsicum or bell pepper grows best in warm temperatures. Use nutrient-rich soil, water consistency, and support plants as they grow. Harvest when the pepper reach full color. Have you grown any of these? Share your experience in the comments.
Golden sun shines the breeze so